Alright guys, so we made it down to the coastline, to the water, the beach. We are in Positano. What's up, Jaycationers? Welcome to another video in the Amalfi Coast. Well, you guys already know by now, I was battling a flu or some sort of fever, and yeah, I was just, you could tell, I've been editing this video and my energy was just not there and didn't really get much footage as I really wanted to and give as much information as I wanted to. But yeah, I got it done, and check it out, and check out this drone flight I had in Praiano right now. In 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, back in action. Was pretty sick for the last 24 hours, 36 hours. So we missed a whole day in Amalfi. Won't be able to go to actual Amalfi, the town, but we're headed to Positano right now. And then yeah, at least we get to go see Positano. And I'm up, about, and walking. I was in bed for like 36 hours straight. It was not good. So we're at the bus stop right now waiting for our bus to Positano. It's only 10 kilometers from here. It's just the next town over, but yeah, we don't know how to get the tickets or whatnot, so hopefully we can get the tickets on the bus stop. If not, it's at the tourist office, but the tourist office is at siesta right now. So remember that they have siesta stuff here too. Alright, so that was a windy bus ride, literally like only like 9 kilometers, but they were nice enough to let us on the bus. We just have to buy our ticket on the way back to Praiano. Yeah, we got to figure that out too. Everything seems to be closed right now because it's like siesta time, but check out this view. So nothing beats that type of view. That is awesome. How do you like the view, Mom?
Beautiful.
So this vlog is not going to be a food guide or anything because obviously I was sick for the last 36 hours, so we've been eating mostly at home and Mom and Dad been cooking. So we're just going to make this a little travel vlog around Positano. Let's go. So apparently last night was spring forward here in Europe, and I was so sick that I was up at that time, but I didn't even realize that like we sprung forward 1 hour. I just thought the meds were kicking in. Hey Pop, we can't go an entire trip in Italy without having gelato, right?
Yep. He's got pistachio, I got mocha.
Tons of quaint shops around here too. Clothes, ceramics, bunch of home decos. So right over there is Praiano, and that's where we're staying. About 10-minute windy bus ride from here. Picked up one of these guys. So I'm still fighting off this little fever that I had yesterday. Still a little woozy and whatnot. We're only here for 3 days and missed a whole entire day. And then Saturday we really didn't go out. So yeah, trying to make the most of it and enjoy a little bit of Amalfi, Positano. If we have some time, we might go over to Amalfi, but I think we're only going to be able to check out Positano. It's way better than nothing, right? So they actually have these smaller buses here that go through the smaller streets. And yeah, they could even take you back to Praiano if you wanted to go. Sorry if the vlog today's been a little sluggish. I've been under the weather. Wish I had more energy to explore Positano and the rest of the Amalfi Coast, but you get what you get, right? We've actually managed to make our way down to the beach. Check that out. Didn't really seem that far, but I guess that's what happens when you're just roaming about. Alright guys, so we made it down to the coastline, to the water, the beach. We are in Positano. We ordered the rigatoni, the buffalo rigatoni with sausage and some other meats. Looks really good. And then mom, she got the spaghetti with mussels. Bon appetit. Alright, making our way back up towards the bus stop. Slowly going uphill. Gradual walk. Bus tickets are €1.30 for each ride. You cannot buy the CETA bus tickets on the bus, so you have to go to either have to go to a tobacco spot, a convenience store, or a tourism office, and they'll sell them to you there, and then they'll rip off the tickets for you. Fortunately, the bus driver was really nice. We didn't have a ticket on the way there, and he was like, just get on and buy your ticket on the way back, and we'll call it even.
Early the next morning.
Alright guys, let's finish that drone fry I had from earlier. If you guys are wondering, I'm doing my laundry right now. It's my last week here in Barcelona. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe. Hit that notifications button so you can get updates on when I post my new videos. And yeah, we're going to the Philippines soon, so stay tuned for the Philippines series. I'm really excited to showcase my parents' home country, my roots. I'm gonna do my best to bring you along on this journey. But yeah, please subscribe, like this video. Are you guys planning on going to the Amalfi Coast anytime soon? Positano is a beautiful place. The food was okay. It was expensive. It was okay. I've had better in different parts of Italy. Florence, for example. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna finish up this laundry and I'm gonna go home and edit the rest of this video. So please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.